1995. Next year will be 40 years without document. Go and ask him. Wait till play for this man head for America. You see they play for your head for Germany and nobody is telling you. Now make me put the picture where they do marriage 3 years ago with this Portia Williams. Okay? He get American children. I can't born for her. They don't give her a document. I'm coming for your own. No? Why you not go fit get document for Germany? It is the law. You see this my passport. Because of the good way I can't do for social media. I said I don't want thief. When they say I can't go thief, make I can't take my financial, take the make money. I said no. Now Nigeria embassy in Rome. Nuna and their cohort. They call the recruit people. Go report them here. Report. Please share this video. Share. Report here, report there. I sang it. I said never. Then my passport was seized. 2019. Hello? Passport where I guess is 1998. Yes, so this passport was seized. As a testism, I go do renew. No, say they can't take her from my house for his house. I go do renew. As I really go do renew, say make I come after 30 days, I'll be 60 days. As I go there back, they say my passport is not there for passport office again. Make I go not be questionnaire. That's why I go questionnaire. I can't go question because now passport office me and first go. As I first go to the passport office, now there for go renew. They say make I go question. I say they don't transfer and go question there. And passport the headquarter. So I have to go there. What my passport they do? They say make I not verse my passport never there. They say it's there for prefectura. Hello. You say my passport there for prefectura. Me I go collect them. If I want go collect me, I take lawyer. And I say really. They don't write me letter say thief. They don't write me letter say do this. And my passport will contact the prefectura now. That's okay. I know what I go do. Men I go make I don't come to spend money they give lawyers. Or one no get key. Why? Damn it, hold up. I say I know say my heart is clean. My hands are clean. When I know say that case not there for Canada, they don't go to Nushami. No, because of later Lowale and when they send the Peking and all together. Okay? Now say make I not wait. If I don't finish the case with these people, then from there, I will not go and ask for my passport. Now they don't come tell me what it made they seize my passport for since 29 and last year. Just a year ago, Now I go collect my passport back. Hello? So no nora. Una no say as people just see you now as this picture be now. Yes, why? That's why I thank God for this social media. Me, I thank God. Me, I said yesterday I was clever. I wanted to change the world. Today I'm changing myself. I thank God for social media. Me, I don't know myself today. Believe me. Person where they for this social media, you'll be presenter, you'll be follower, you'll be commenter. You not take one or two things to learn. Okay? If you don't learn by now, your case will be another world. You people are going there now. You see the guy with the key for the guy with the key for France. Una take Saga cover him. Una take Saga cover that guy with the husband key for France. When everybody they see that guy for when they share the TikTok page and everything. Even with the husband they play they do the enemy. Whoever thinks such a thing go happen, almost say the wife he fall for grand. Now so a naked call the cut and pieces. Come put her for freezer. Now they are beating Mama not to come out again. Not I suppose you come back on talk for social media. Because before you come back on talk for social media, you know say anybody when you go talk to for indoors, maybe you don't report to your mama. You don't everybody says why not report to your mama. Why not report to your mama, your husband, mama? You don't report to this. Maybe you know say they not go answer you. Now make you carry on social media. Carry to come to social media. It does not mean that your problem will solve totally. But you have to thank God. When you carry on social media, the people that you think that loves you, they divided themselves immediately. The one will follow your husband, follow your husband. The one will follow you. No. Let me they talk am. If you love me, love my family equally. Okay? Even though say we quarrel, me and my family quarrel. You don't have to join one or judge the other one. You tell us the bitter truth. Because at the time you divided us, you joined one, which there was never any love. You cannot love my husband and say you don't love me. You cannot love my children and say you don't love me. Hello? So people that have been following Enogie, following Priceless and the children, which is they divide themselves. The one will like this one, like this one. No, there was no love there. They were just there waiting for the day like this to come to tell you what they want to tell you. And they have told you whatever they want to tell you. Now you are retrieving it back. Because they want to wish marriage. Go and ask Gobadia, this is our brother. This picture what I see, so this is their picture. Now I share the for Duambo. They closed beneath that day. The day when Gobadia carries this Portia Williams is one of the American celebrities. Atlanta's housewives. So you and Enogie, they never even reach their inch for social media, for celebrity side. They close Bini. When they want to do for Atlanta, they close and this is their picture. Now, American bloggers, they pay them almost $50 million. If you mafia by mafia, they pay them Wotowoto to have this picture when they show so. Hello? Upon all. This our brother no get document. Why? Because of what he do for grants since 1985. Hello? Because of what he do for grants since 1985. If because of that one, they send them back to Nigeria. 85 now being rich America. After 3 years, after they say go prison, I don't know what happened. Or they can send them back to Nigeria where visa can expire. You know, quick come out where visa expire. When your visa expire, you not quick come out. Before they get what you the other can they do or they this fraudulent enemy. Now they tell you the documenting today. 39 years by 2025 will be 40 years in America without document. He married this wife 3 years ago because of document. The wife not know say now because of document now come and you see our brother teeth open. He laugh. You say our brother he don't happy say yes I see one married to Portia now. If I married Portia friend though, now celebrities they marry. Not be money be problem. But that document only green card not be passport. Oh. Now green card they fight for now not be passport. The children don't even fit give a passport. He get almost 3 or 4 children. When 2 or 3 women still born for her. Hello? So I'm not gay. Me I don't know say you were session. Me I don't say Kai. Now you come up for social media say you hate 8,000. You not say me and they do clean. I know they hate 800 euro in a month. But you reach with this house right there. So this is my bed and breakfast apartment. Let them do B&B. Hello? If not be my documents where they work, I for no feel buy I buy them with loan. I feel common me I go sit down for my house for Pinerolo. I go put up for that. I go take the rent. Till they pay the mortgage. If I don't get working this thing, they not go give me loan. So then I tell them I say Facebook money day as when they talk. but it not guarantee you. If to say Facebook guarantee you Enogie, you for never go back to your house. You only pay 2-3 days for house and start to the complain, so they pay 70 euro for house and 70 euro for hotel. Really? When they make 8,000 euro in a month. If you pay a month's rent for hotel, you not got come out 30% of your money where they have for social media to talk. Yes, now. 70 euro for 30 days. That is 2,100. So no feel go make better to pay outside to stay outside for 1 month. To let everywhere cool. Make your wife miss you. Make you miss your wife too. More than two no waiting. Be on a problem. We wanna go for start. We wanna go for hand down. We wanna go hand down and go hand down. You start to the complain, say, they look for house. They look for this. What a big shame is that? Come out and saga me, not today. You feel to say me, you never saga me. You they insult me with the Murphy. But I will never know my man Laura. But when the Murphy carry my sister out. You they join them the Murphy, they insult my enemy Kakabo. Now because I don't reply you, because saga. If they insult you once, twice, 3 times, you don't answer them. Then they go abandon you. If to say me, I come and answer you that time. Me, I'm your whole saga for day grant. As other people own day grant today. But I don't come here saga. I'm telling you the real truth. 10 years in abroad, you are not fighting for document. You are fighting which marriage you want to do. Which kind of serious marriage you want to do when go past this our brother go back their home. Really? Even when that marriage you move when you are not thinking of how to heal yourself, heal your wife, because two of you come into that marriage for personal interest. You wanted your wife to born for you because of documents. And your wife born because of her own interest to stay in Germany or to do one or the other. So that thing will never fit digest time. Say, the purpose of us marrying your boy and giving these children, there was a purpose. Now let us. They say love is not a foresight. Okay, people just say love at first sight. Love at first sight, let her go die. Love is gradually. It's likeness. From likeness, you come on to love. And then because of the children, love your husband, or your husband, but because of the children, love your wife. Okay. That is not be the one where we just start from, not be that boyfriend and girlfriend where you just start. When they just start, not be those ones they talk now. Boyfriend and girlfriend where you just start, my first boyfriend, that one, you say that is love. The one where we call it, especially for this Western world. Now trying everybody there. Then from there, once you or the other come, they make us a grow interest. Enogie is not still, he's still not having interest. Because he never get document, but he forget what he do for grant. Don't make him get document. Everybody is putting that plan, this thing blame on Mama Laura said she not give a document. Really? Is Mama Laura the immigrant or enemy? He would have able to give him document if Enogie is clean. When Enogie and his friend, they do social media. Remember, I said many people do not share Enogie by then. Do you know what this Dunusha can cost for your document? Hello? It's their law. Nobody can change it for them. Go and ask our brother go back there. 39 years in America. If the money they take the bad document, forget them. Because of what you do for guy, you can never get document in Germany. Nobody is talking about that. You say the way that's why I know this. I don't celebrate and want to do marriage because this country will be peppered there. Don't go with it. I don't go with it. I don't celebrate it. Pepper them. Because now here we go there. When that pepper they go still fall for our body. He said once is a mistake, twice is never it's not my mistake. When I made that mistake with Africa last lady, Say, well, because your husband helped me for Facebook that time, then the injustice was so bad against her, they sought to cheat on her. I not do social media pepper them or make we be friends. Never. You know, speak will not be friends, but don't do pepper them because what you do? During the time when they do pepper them for that side, then they take one content beat you. Hello? Not be because of people you live at the month you go to meet people when you meet. When you go see people they come meet at the month and you forget. That's why I never write at the month name here now. When that the month even do not show you that time for journey. But Precious Meg, I see the video I take do not show you. How many people don't do not show you for that journey? They see your case file full grant. When they take do not show you. When you they do something for social media, they want to tell the fact to themselves. Precious man, go me and see when you go police station, go to Nusha you. As soon as don't settle, you don't go carry you go meet that police station. Don't settle now. You know say that you will be brother or will be sister. They don't come out that one for fire. And even though they follow you go, they are not promoting it. So I'm not gay. You are wasting your time in Germany. Okay? This is the marriage one. I'm not saying no can't. Now pepper the marriage. You no can't. In my country. You people have to go to court of law or to commune. Go do marriage. They go give you Lula Hosta. No. Because of what you don't cost for social, what you don't cost for Germany. So what you cost for Germany? During you and your friend, when I do saga that time, because I saga data social media, I will see this. So what are we not talking about? Now you want to select, you want to talk for yourself, who want to talk for your matter? When people matter go call social media, the one where you to test it down, but whenever they call you, say, well, hell, because you want to make money out of it. Look at shame at this case. Really, the money people have made on this social media now. You people are not paying house rent. You are not paying, government is giving you money. Well, let's spend 3 days. I'm sure they make money for social media. Can even pay a month to stay outside to digest very well. People are now saying that it is your wife that is not giving you documents. Now your wife they make documents. Now it costs all the atrocity where you don't cost for social media. Precious men give you the can you go meet police the other day, go tell you say when I don't say you don't know be brother. You do if at the month you still report you that because my fight still tough where. When at the month you still go report you for your area. That was still the gun. You will go they say una don't settle no. So that is what I do for social media. Now they see for the Italian Germany case file. This last man never tell you Mr. Ake. When say go see Dunusha you, he said police show on your file. Say you get many Dunusha. How are you going to clean those? So you're not even talking about it. Your serious marriage now make me your whole marriage when even though say the whole head up people donate for you. You don't go reach 1/4 of the marriage which is our brother. Go back do. He fly his wife to Nigeria, Benin City. They close Benin that day. Not the one they do for Atlanta. For a week now they celebrate Atlanta. So you don't get inside and think of your children. Think of your children. Your wife said you know they bring your children, and I told them what come bring your children. I can say a fatherly love. Hey Jimmy, man, I do secha. Guy, I don't need your mouth. Man, you say your wife take a beat you 2 days ago because they carry children out. Saying you know they play with the children for inside house. Now when you come carry they come out for social media, think on the pen and say, so now you won't come tell us now say now you they do now no head you. Get inside, go and take off yourself for 1 month. Social media. Since when I went there for court last year, I said it's me for social media. No! Because the foundation can't come. When I see that I sit down so. I don't feel sit down, they talk on a matter. I don't feel sit down, they do social media, they can't matter. Come when it is buckle for everywhere to talk about. Huh? But no! No. When I never fight the other day, somebody come from Benin say, you go send you money from Nigeria, they happy, really? You just send a blessing to you and your family. Your wife, they collect more than 2,000 plus for children money. When I took us to the share money of social media, which is Mama and Ajigoni, Mama and Wajigoni. The one with Mama Laura they collect for the social media. And I will run away my bed. When I don't get, want me to pay a month, what's it? Ote. You people need to separate. Mama was separate for life. The woman gonna miss you, you gonna miss her. So it has all you don't know anymore because you know with that saga, you cannot get even 100 people watching you. You cannot even get 100 euro a month with that saga. It's what you people are feeding them, the people that is sending you money. We have our yes, I have fans, my fans worldwide. They're using people to kill their depression. They're using people to make themselves okay. If Nasaka they do now, if you don't pay me, your own children. I don't say you know what you born there for now. Let me not value them that way. Because if God will something they reach, when the something it don't come out from your saga can't reach your children, your home mama, your family. You say many people, I mean, if you can make people don't do saga, or whether they stop people, mama, come and call them, no. Because I don't want people to insult my mother. The one where they insult the mother, Monica, where can't say that they pay money, make they take the drum. Then they celebrate her and I say she's the enemy on social media. They forget that she tell you where she is. So I don't need that such a money, say that is taking money. I can never cause pain to people. They're going to enjoy. I take a one at the Latin. No, me were dead or was celebrating. I'm going to move from that. I have for say, Ukmaye Bay. Huh? Then we have a very Kwana. Why I welcome my people? Princess no don't way. Na prank. One of the discussions of said your lady that say, yeah, husband say it was never a prank. You said the starting a prank. At the starting it was a prank. Then your husband log you out of all Facebook. When you can't go TikTok for 5 hours. It was a prank at the starting. Your husband can't block you for all Facebook when you get. All your Facebook handle was blocked. You can't enter TikTok now prank. What do you call a talk rich like that? No, they don't know. They just say that they want Pepe. Pepe had reached on the 6th of October. Nobody even says on to not to accept them. The people that they do saga together, they won't have Pepe on themselves. And okay, a moment in our yena, you have to think of how you are going to leave Germany. How to go to another country. Tally. Now only marriage could give you documents. Even your own children in that Germany now, because of your case were full grant. Before the one when they do with your wife now, domestic name to the essence. Police gonna insult your wife, say, this is the police talk and now they can't join you. You still just define or rotor. And not gay. And the mafia where they followed you. Now you should they stand getting back for Germany. Your wife you get documents. They don't say he get documents, but he get documents. They say no get passport, but he get people waiting to go Nigeria and not go over 10 years or back banner. If they reach Europe, anywhere we will reach, any country we reach. Now residents, now document they fair the fight. Document I can be Naji. What they make Frank come out for Germany? Nobody the way when they take to Nusha Frank to your wife. Tell them to Nusha Frank not be make her run. You just say you don't feel run, Abby. Olivia, you see when Olivia wants to prepare the diet. When they come to me, I can't carry what one I do. I say, God forbid. Me, I don't even know so Olivia never get it be like that. Thank God, I love the way we can take care of me. When Olivia said they come and they don't wear a what, they don't come to away. Why more what by now? Because I know so prepare them. Who the sponsor for her, now the sponsor the for B. Who down a site? Now they sit there for the Monica side. That is what they are using you people to be doing. As today, now they return artifact when they carry for Benin in 1897. Obayo they do ugewa done now. There's no social media presenter or Bini Asuna. The somebody talk me when share that video, make una promoter say, wow. To shame Obaseki and his cohort. Because today there was a court today. There was a court today. Say, whether Obaseki, whether the Enogies, when they carry over the court. I court food today for the well-respected Bini sons and daughters, uncles and daddies, aunties. No, you worry, don't know, man. All of them was in court today. But the same today, 15th of July 2024, some of the artifacts that was stolen 120 years ago, is there for a platform? No. Because the people supporting you now, they are still the people fighting against the palace for artifacts and for putting it on human trafficking and name it. So they must make sure say one thing or the other go occupy on that day. Since when Obaseki they drag Oba for artifacts and everything. I'm not talking about that. No. Saga just talk now Saga now they do so now no see chance to talk about them. Okay. So they no see chance to talk about them. I not going to talk about them more. Only when they go revu. Una talk them, una not talk them. Only when they go revu. Okay? So, Enogie, you have to gather money now and start to go and look for another country. We go take you to marriage. In Germany, lie, cut my lips. My passport was seized in 2019 because of Dunucha. When these evil people, where they command you now, so say make no right against me, not parent against me. That's why let's make we go we withdraw the case for court. I said no, God forbid. Now yes, I come and speak somebody to donate for me, take lawyer. Because God will send me this message. He provide for me to pay the lawyer. Because I know say if I agree, may they bring that case down from court. Una why this social media now not go yell and say, now this make we bring and come down. And the Dunusha don't do there. All the Dunusha when they say make a right against me, they quickly go withdraw after I win this case. All the Dunusha, they go withdraw. Okay? So you not get precious make don't withdraw your case. Your founder sister under 1 year for social media after you with the Monica don't quarrel. Huh? They don't think we're not two sister, two brother, but they like how many costs you can come and test for the movie for this social media. Or where the movie is done. So when I do that, they are mommy and one pepe. People they shame una shame. Oh, no, Joe Huga. Yeah, a Huga home me one number one. I shame una shame. I don't just make one not play. I'm a forgive. But don't come and do Pepe there with you. I see one video they are just now for one of the reality TV be special enemy. When Precious Meg they put to Wawane, then they call the other one about say the fuck under cashew, go the coin. But that is the person she's making friend with today. So what are we not talking about? Or today I consider be friend to Monica when bring out my brother video. I'm forgiving her, everybody go. But I can never go near. Because what they do for this social media, now the people when me had the say with the play your content beat me tomorrow exactly what is happening to you people now. So we are not fear. Say somebody die. The next day I be dead before when I can't see for come and say, make we take that it fear say God. This would have been Mama Nora. This would have been okay Mama Nora. This would have been not get that man. Anything they have done on the spiritual, at times they call you must show on physical. We don't pray to God say, nobody when we take come out for spiritual, may come out for physical. If you not put to you directly, go and put to some see me see you. These people they are still social media people. That's what they do husband and wife the name and the person. We report Enogie is your ex-goddaughter. Your ex-goddaughter, Perry. Nine put the boy for phone. Make sure say they arrest him. You don't take this one. They say, wow. Which means this is a sign. This is a sign of what will have happened in your house. Okay? You know if you say, well, oh my God. Is this a sign? Because this something is too near to you. Perry. Your ex-goddaughter will know you to not sang at 30 years. Now you come make the arrest that boy. When we go for big party. Let me go arrest. Let me go arrest God. This is what you do for me. Mama, you don't see, you know me say you don't take this boy now. Maybe as if they not be that they start on the beat, maybe they don't get police case for glass. If they beat him. As he get phone, now maybe she faint, so she never die finish. The Adam enemy is the devil's workshop. Adam man is the devil's workshop. For us to call police for the second time again, for the third time, for the 10th time. Now you call police, don't beat your wife. Now you can't call time, you can't call back for 3 children now. They lose father, they lose mother. Priceless. Nobody wish you that too. Don't think that it's all the Enogie can kill you. You too can kill Enogie because I said don't want you to speak, you not come social media again. And something like this happen. And then that moment, your brain I go tell you if what thing to do. You can easily send this man to death. Okay? That this fortune the way you can come life. When you don't suffer, put all these years. When you conceive your first daughter and insult because of what your husband don't cause for saga. When the twins in your belly, nobody's supposed to know say they conceive how much you get twins for belly. Now this same person now don't say love you. Person when they call daddy, so no cause so you not cause her for this social media. Everybody have the phone, have the videos. So what are we not talking about? That's when they come on me now, your wife is okay. They bop with mamu social media. Who are you people think that you are inspiring? When your picking dead belly, when they cause your picking, I come from one platform to the other. Now they want bug with monoreco. I put that white bielati. I say you concentrate on your children. I know. They come for you, but your husband go for them first. Inji, that what's your bossa. One of the saga those family that day, the thing chocolates me. He said they do fake life. Really? Only my mama must spend a social media. Don't Jesus to go and go. But I don't know. No, but Munu was over here. You people drag that girl out and her family. People are watching. Come on. So what I mean when you dragging and you are now using yourself, your immediate family to do saga. Eh? The person that have already reported your husband to the police, and when they just quarrel, he just caught you hard, said you are a bad one, enemy. You are coming here to say sorry. I'm not going to tell sorry because of what? Want to do marriage? Marriage that will not give your husband document. Hello? The marriage one I want to what is it going to give Enogie document? No. Enogie will not have document in Germany. Except the children will grow. Maybe they can't give them. Because if in America, they don't give them. Because this brother, he gets almost 15, 16 years old, 20 years old picking. He should not give them a document for America. So if I think their children, they give them. Depend on the crime. What Papa and Mama do for grant. Okay? Not to talk of Enogie, one voter. They even don't settle. Now want to prepare them for social media. Una can't forget the atrocity, especially when don't concern law. Or what I see, like, the police in a kuingaku, Mamawayaku, Ella. I'm a way more pop big benny. I'm a wayaku. Hello? I'm a wayaku. They don't trust me, could not play. Me could play well, but I play with sense. Fine. You go tell your wife, say, nobody should call me, nobody should call me, nobody should call me. You feel tell your wife, say, see the month you gonna give that lady money. You gonna send that money where it won. And the month you don't forget, say that you don't insult them. Insult the way we tell insult to the shit, the way you tell it, what to make it, not call it beautiful life again for live video. Even though say forgive Enogie, even though say forgive Timothy, but a little slice, a little thing, you come back and say, Okpele is always a betrayer, don't fair betray me. The same thing Enogie will still do to Timothy. Okona can betray me, now Monica, it's still a betrayer. You want me to forgive it before very all. I will forgive, but you can never forget. That's not what they know, me. If they really love you and your children and your wife, and your husband, the people that divided themselves immediately to insulted you, God exposed them to you. Or the one that joined you to insult Enogie, God exposed them to you, Enogie too. But you know what to prepare them again now? You recruit them because if it is your own personal money that you are going to spend that day, on October 6th, this marriage will be forfeit for the next 2-3 years. And not do anybody wear back clothes. Make you hold on. Next year, no, we not the hurry. Next 2 years, we not the hurry. We not go do, but you not want to find on ourselves first. And now they go and gather money and look for documents in another country. You cannot get documents again. It's Germany. Not be under your wife Dunusha day your head. Right from when you with the other boy. When I got there, as well the sister will be between that year. Now right from there, they start to Dunusha you. And you want to clean now. Nobody should call this number. And you want to clean now. So all those who are there for granted. Okay, call police on her husband, 30s and get document. I see them could not put all that plan for the woman head. The one will not get done by self, call some call web. Okay. Not be last 2 weeks, I'll be last month. You not be okay go to Nusha Enogie. Precious make not go to Nusha Enogie. And the month I don't know when I go to Nusha. Do it when they see them when the fights, they hot where. When they said to them, go meet police again, say we don't know so will be brother, we don't know so will be the daddy and son, maybe they will drown. But the paper they forget, even doesn't they go? It will not share. So we told those do not share for grant. They be taken since my passport. Hello? They be taken since my passport. Because of Dunusha. You know, circumstance, but say we must go to the court. All of the court wrong. Now they go by themselves, they withdraw the case. Do they go and withdraw the case when the case will they write for your head? Esther talk show, that's why they back at that year. We go see the portal and everything there your head they no give. You are just playing with people when you say you want to you want prepare them when they call your party. Out of the whole passport order. People when you say they so they come from America, they come from Canada, your fans. You not going to fear say you people. When one call your own party, they get document, you not get to say they love you. Really? Enogie. Hey, so people that is coming to your party that is where to do. They are just coming and working away your party. They're going to sponsor you. Yes, where die. Here your party in Europe, where are yes, they want to they go come. But after they don't go. Because people don't come now. Hello? brother Kwala, pay money. Oh, I got bomb. What are we not talking about? I want to let them why you were married. So pepper. Yes, I repeat again. If it is your hard-earned money, you will not do it. Because then when a manager you when a manager won't have your pen. Go ask brother, go back there. America. 39 years America without documents. I'm at here, Bene. Because of all the atrocity. A woman beat her on now, domestic violence here. I'm going to go now. Your wife won't take from one side. A month ago, be 2 weeks ago, I came here for Germany with you. He go report to you. Hello? Oh, no, when I again have your from Victor Run come on for Germany the other day. Many of us, me I not join at the watch. As I the watch, I see me say I do video. Who go again? All of them laugh. If to say you're a bomb born for them. If I say go dead the hand, why you get your bomb picking that much more? Do not shadow boom be, do not shadow boom be, do not shadow too much. On a leg. Okay? And now, even coming to Germany, even coming back to Italy, my mommy everything they wrote about him in Germany, it is cancelled. It is EU. Germany, all of them they are the same. Italy. What will not save him? Maybe the wife will put more effort to say my husband, he they take off his children, now they help him. Not be waiting to just give her like this take. When they won't give me my passport, when they call me for citizenship, now my set be the set where they give citizenship for Italy after you do marriage after 6 years. Before my own set, if you do marriage for complete 5 years, you will not feel order for citizenship. Lie. Okay? For 1997, when I want order for my citizenship, now when I come go order for my citizenship, I married for 1995 December. 6 months later, 1996 June. After 6 months, I started the fight for my citizenship. After 6 months, and after another 6 months, when I do the document and everything, they call me and my husband for Questura. When they for print our hands to take to Rome. You know what happened? Because me with my husband, we don't get quanta where we fight. Where cause become our house. Hello? Where become our house. I just newly never reach the must be my husband. When I don't understand me. Fight bust. Come. When I newly come, that was 1994 when I newly come our house. 1997 when I want to do my citizenship. When I small come do to print for Custodia. When we reach there, they call my husband and enter her separately. Instead, they ask us whether they're happy with me. Hello? Then because why did they ask him? He said because if you don't say no, they're happy with me because they don't say much and we don't fight. They're not going to give me citizenship. With a yes, so they keep me outside. That is the question they ask my husband. For only the fight what we fight, 3 years after, when they're happy with me as a wife, they simply say Pikino. My Pikino never even reached a year that time. Their interest was to know if the husband is happy with me. Hello? Now my husband said, no, in they happy, they don't even, we don't even marry, we don't born because they bring the paper and say, 1994 when we get quarter. Now let that one there for grant that year. You don't hear me so? Because my husband says, if they happy with me, now they can't allow me to do some preach when they say go wrong when they can't take me passport. I must want you to know where you're there for social media. Video full everywhere. This is your wife forgot me, they say a prank. Who the follow they do that kind of prank? For Europe. Okay, they do juju. Okay. That's good. That's the only weapon. Say maybe obo wa pen wa show ebony and then wa fi we there. That would just be only that will only be the answer. But all of us, if not that type of winner, this our brother Kobatia. He a tear fast of America. Hello? All tear boss of America. I'm marrying. When this lady not say because of passport or marrying, the marriage immediately after 6 months. I bring up in there after 6 months. I be a year the marriage. He cancel immediately. Give her the voice paper. So this is the light I want to put. The only person I want to start wait talk all my what say I won't talk since yesterday since I dey watch now. She just talk and this sister. Yeah, Nora. Go and listen to this sister. Hello? Yeah, Nora. Go and listen to this sister. Enogie, go and listen to this sister. This message is sent to you. It's not a hatred message. There's not a person friend, a person, say person mad to the smell. But this one, there's nobody they tell you say your man they smell again. Make you carry and go. Make they go they take and they sort to none at this. So anybody that said the marriage must go, it must happen, must happen. They are the ones that destroy your document on this gem. All of them get document for a house. All of them get document for a house. They fight for it. You know, go and fight for your document. Gather money, go and look for who go follow you do marriage. That's the only thing you can do to have document in this Europe as a whole. That's the only thing. If not all of us, and that's what go and listen to this sister. Yeah, another. I said for reality gist. The truth is here. Okay, the message we have for take Saga to Murphy. She don't do them already, so there's no need. But I still have to tell you people the truth. Okay? Anytime say, I'm not going to anytime say, come on. When I do marriage, come for now, on the 6th of October, 3 months time, I said, after marriage you come, because you know that marriage not going to give you paper. People will go come present the marriage from Canada, from enemy, all of them, after they don't do what they want, they don't showcase for your party finish. With their document, all of them, they are going back home. Okay? Don't say it is Mama Nora. Look, that is where you focus pellet. You say Mama Nora has spoiled reputation. That is where you will put this problem. The Enogie reputation have already been done by the time where Enogie and ESA was doing live video. It's 30 people that year. The Dunusha Enogie, the Dunusha ESA. Okay? You people should not put it on this woman's head alone. The reputation of the document, the go get document not go get. It already there for cannot be fighting them with ESA fight when they say come up for the answer, they come up, police come. You know they come, they go stay squat with Eddie Murphy. That's the way they for can you feel come out time. Eh? Those who by the time when Enogie and ESA fight, I don't know the people where they say they fight with. Mama Lord, I never did Bishop at that time. Mama Novel, I never even come. You never even know Enogie that year. When they come drag police come they look for Enogie, Enogie can't go at Murphy house. You don't command that one for the system. The system go there for the system for the next 100 years. Except you not come present any document. Before others come to join, a month ago, yeah, 2 weeks ago, Mr. Ake go see Dunusha Enogie. Say they even tell us, see, Precious man Dunusha did there. The other one Dunusha did there. How are you going to do it?